It's a video chart presentation of Harte Resources Corp. Brought to you by All Penny Stocks. Harte trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the ticker HRT. Decided to take a look at Harte, our other stock to watch this week. Had a nice blue sky breakout yesterday, and Harte's still in a position to possibly make a move, holding over top of this 200-day moving average. That's going to be a key component. We want to see it hold that, setting up a nice support level there at 45. See, we're getting the histogram trending back towards zero, just now getting a bullish cross. Classic kind of pinch formation. Not super deep, only around -10 for the PPO and the positive DI just up around 40. Typically in a pinch, the higher the ADX is and the deeper the PPO is, the more reliable the technical bounce. But this formation is still set pretty nicely for a reversal, so that looks pretty good. Obviously in the downtrend, we're seeing MFIs holding underneath 50. We're going to want to see them make a break, pretty bearish at this point. The whole reversal kind of starts to flow together with the holding of a support level, with these indicators that are getting buried pretty deep because of the recent slide. The holding of support and the upward movement starts to shift everything in trend. When you're looking for plays like this, you're trying to catch them at the bottom, getting them on your radar for that trend shift to start to happen. Accumulation distribution just kind of in a sideways channel, a little bit of a downtrend to it. So we'll have our eyes on breaking through that channel. What we're going to want to see with this shaking money flow is to show a little bit of buying pressure. We're going to want to see it make a higher low through here, continue to trend back towards zero. So we're looking for a new valley to be made. See, the CCI is showing some signs of life. Coming back out of -100 area, holding above at this time, making a little bit of an uptrend. Full still firmly under 20 at this point. Again, you're going to look for a curl, look for a little bit of a higher low. You have to remember all these things are very early in the reversal, and they're going to come back to the support and resistance levels we're going to take a look at on the candles in a moment. Tricks, just not going to get much from that. Still in a downtrend. Looks like it's tightened up to the signal line some, but it's a lagging indicator. It's pretty rare that you find the tricks trending back towards zero in any sort of downtrend. We see the 7 RSIs, giving hints of this trying to find a bottom. 14 and 21, these red and gold lines, just kind of channeling sideways at this point. That is what's giving hints of this trying to find a bottom. Everything's going from this pretty steep downtrend into just kind of trickling sideways at this point, trying to make up their mind. We're seeing a bullish cross of the 7 through the 14 now. And we'll look to see it break through the 21 and just see if overall this can start to roll itself out and head towards 50. Of course, that break of 50 is what you want to see. Puts you back into bull chart territory like it was back through here. So what we're going to be looking for in these candles is there's some price per share support right in through that area at 45 cents where it closed yesterday. And it kind of runs right through to that area right down to the 200-day moving average. And that's going to be the key area of support for us. If it comes any lower, we're going to want to see it hold 40 cents. If it does break through that, just kind of a walk away and watch sort of situation. The chart will be going pretty bearish at that point. So ideally what we'd see is the strong price per share support, hold at 45. 200-day to continue to work its way up towards it and lend more support as it approaches 45. From resistance level, it's going to have to start just by making a little push through 48.5. But look for 50. You want to see 50 fall. You can see the 20-day moving average, the middle Bollinger Band is at 50. A stronger stock is trading on the upper side of that Bollinger Band, so it's over top of that purple line. All tying in with that 50 resistance. If it can make it through 50, it's going to see a little bit more at 55 for sure. But I'd look forward to try and come up here and test 60. It's a pretty nice gain, obviously, from where it is at this point. About a 30% move. And although historically right through here, there'll be a resistance level at 55. I'm going to draw upon this more recent past and see if it can go up and test this old support level. It's now resistance at 60. Volume 178,000 shares traded. You see, that's right about average. But in order to show some strength and push its way through 50, we're going to want to see a little bit more buying pressure. Those volume bars increase a little bit more. Back along these lines, we want to see them start to uptick a little bit each day and show that people are seeing this as a possible buying opportunity and see it roll itself up and start to put pressure back on 50. Overall, strengthen that support level and then try and roll out this bottom and show that this is indeed going to make a reversal, break this recent downtrend that it's been in, and things of that nature. So these are some things I'm going to be keeping my eyes on with the HRT chart. As always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. I strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.